So Precision Wires is engaged in the manufacture of round and rectangular copper winding wires, continuous transport conductor, copper insulated copper conductor cables. Posted good results for Q4 of Fy22. So it is trading at 73 levels currently, and it posted a total revenues of around 745 crores in the current quarter, operating profit 35 crores, and net profit of 18 crores. The previous year it was 655 crores, total 6 operating profit was 632 crores, and then net profit was 17 crores. And if you see the yearly results, the total sales is 2696 crores, and the operating profit 124 crores, and the net profit is 63 crores, translated EPS 5.45. Last year it was 1719 crores sales, operating profit 79 crores, and the net profit of 39 crores. So the net profit is increased to 39 crores to around 63 crores, and the EPS is improved from 3.4 to 5.45. So the balance sheet is strong with the 12 crore equity and 353 crore reserves. So it is face value is one is trading just 14 days into EPS, and it has even after stock split has given still looks attractive for long term after giving multi-bag returns the last 1 year.